Big Daddy Bitcoin. That's what's happening right now. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Smash that like button if you guys are hyped and you're seeing what I'm seeing. Because Bitcoin has set the stage now for an ongoing bull market, in my opinion. Yes, we might get a little bit of a retracement here or there, but October is proving to be, yet again, the month for Bitcoin as we inch closer to an ETF, as we inch closer to the next Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin has just spiked to 35,000. Right now, it's a perfect storm. Perfect storm. The feds actually helped us send Bitcoin the first time in 2021, and they're about to help send Bitcoin again in this next rally. Yes, I know, inflation is running rampant. It is crazy. However, we're going to see, in my opinion, in November, the last interest rate hike. We are then going to see 2024 bring in the next Bitcoin halving. We are going to see, in my opinion, in the next 4 to 6 months, maybe 3 to 6 months, a spot Bitcoin ETF approved, I think, across the board. Larry Fink is single-handedly controlling a narrative right now, and you better believe BlackRock is buying Bitcoin right now, and they wanted to get it under 30,000. I think they started to, and then they just sent this thing to 35,000 out of nowhere. This is why I dollar cost average into Bitcoin, folks. It's why I started last April 2022 when we reached our lows. When we got down to 16, 17,000, I was just chunking away slowly as much as I could. It wasn't thousands and millions of dollars every day. Wish it was, but what I could afford. I was living below my means, and slowly but surely. I still think we've got a lot of time. I think in the next 18 to 24 months, we are going to see Bitcoin fly past 100,000. That's my opinion. We've said this all along. It's so hard to predict these narratives, right? It's so hard to predict when exactly things would break loose. And again, right now, it's frenzy. It's euphoria, right? We might get a little bit of a correction here, like an ABC correction, maybe a little bit of a pullback until then we get a continuation of the rally that we just saw today. But I'm taking a look at the charts as I'm talking to you. Listen, this has been unbelievable to watch. We wicked up to $35,000 Bitcoin, slowing down a little bit, but that's okay. Right now, we're trying to find our floor. Right now, we're at 32,900. No matter what here, getting above the $31,800 level was crucial. It's the highest we've been in 2022. We touched up there once in April, touched back up there close again in July, and then it's been doom and gloom since then. The dog days of summer were ushered in, but October is supposed to be Uptober. We were waiting for it, and we finally got it here today. This is the power of Bitcoin. You just never know, folks. You just never know when that money is going to be rushing in. The pent-up demand this go around is going to be insane. We know about that. And by the way, every altcoin out there right now, super undervalued. This is the time to start really considering looking at all of your portfolios, consolidating into your favorite place. I've been talking about this for months and weeks. So if you're prepared and you're ready to go, congratulations. Because I think this is the start. I just mentioned this 2 weeks ago in a video. I think we may not know it right now, but October 2023 is going to be a month to remember. And I think this spike we just saw is going to be a spike to remember for Bitcoin. I think it's sparking the next rally. I truly do. Will there be some hills and valleys along the way still? Certainly. But Bitcoin is proving to be a strong asset. While the markets on the stock market side tumble a little bit and they're unwavering, Bitcoin has been a steady asset here in 2023. Remember, folks, this thing started at $16,000 to start the year. $16,000. And here we are up here at about 33,000 now. As we speak, it's actually spiking back up. And we're going to see where this thing levels off. I'd love to level off right here at this $33,000 level. But here's the thing. Where are our next targets? Well, here's what we're watching. We want to watch and see if we come back down and retest now what was resistance. That's going to be our support line. $31,800 will be our support line. We'll see. Hopefully we can create some support above it now up here at 33,000. We broke through that support right on cue, guys. Bang. Big time candlesticks. I mean, in like 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we went from $32,400 Bitcoin to $35,000 Bitcoin in 2 minutes. That was the pent-up demand, and I believe this is BlackRock gearing up for the big push. Unbelievable moves here that we're seeing. And again, altcoins, guys, still super undervalued. Altcoins have yet to really move. Yes, we're seeing a couple of them move up. You know, we've got some nice gains on Ethereum up over 1760. But we've also got Stacks up 18,000. That's bringing smart contracts to Bitcoin. Filecoin, one of those OG cryptos, it's up a little bit. Solana up 32% in the last 7 days, continues to look really, really strong. Finally, my beloved Cardano moving up a little bit. XRP moving. This is what we live for right here. This is why we go through the dog days of the bear market. This is why we muddle through, because we believe in the future of crypto. And when we get into these type of rallies, guys, sometimes FOMO just happens and you just don't know when it's going to stop. When people start FOMOing in, you just don't know how many people are going to file in here on top of what we saw today. I'm sitting back and enjoying the gains. I'm not buying a ton right now, but I'm well invested. Let me know about you guys down below. What are you getting into? Are you starting your dollar cost average into something different? What's your plan here moving forward? Do you think the market's going to continue to go? Do you think we're going to get one little final pullback? What do you think? I gave you guys some of my thoughts. We'll continue to do so. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell. Smash the like button. Love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.